Hey guys, I'm just out here in hardrubbish. It's rained for the last 2 days, I would say. This is a cute little one. 2 little boxes, I'll grab that one. Oh my god, look at all these toys. What a shame. Oh. At least they covered it, so, you know. A wooden alphabet set. That looks really cute. Oh my god, and this one is like completely new. Wow, people are nuts throwing stuff like this out. Oh, it's so cute, but I think all the pieces are missing. And little toys. Oh my god, how sad. Everything's gotten wet. Oh, even this. Bummer. Oh my god, that is so cute. It's like a little koala bear. Which we just call it a koala here in Australia. Spring, I don't know what this little doll is, but she's cute. Something weird is making a noise. This little cutie, but no, I think I'm gonna have to leave the rest. And this is a little pushing. I don't know what that is, but I'll take it. It's so cute. I wish I could take more of these little toys, but they're wet. Alright, let's grab this and let's head off. Oh, it's a little tissue holder that is broken. Of course, that means I have 5 weeks worth of. That is, oh my gosh. It's like little bags and little bags. How sweet. Paint this little box. What do we have here? Wow. A drum. Yeah, interesting. Nothing there. Oh, there's a sword. A plastic sword. What is this? The cord has been cut. Two. Okay. That's weird. Not as cute things as I thought they would paint. And I don't think you can throw paint out in the hardrubbish, right? There it is. Wow. Okay. I'd love to find a mirror or something. But anyway. I found these boots. They're just Blundstones. I thought they might have been Iron Williams. They're not. But you know what? I don't know, I feel like I should take them anyway. Okay, I'm just at this pile now. And I don't know, it just looks like a good pile from the car. But I don't know, who knows really. That's cute. Mercedes-Benz bag. And these are just shoes, I guess, that I almost had it. I saw these from the car and it looks like they're wine bottles. And it looks like they're empty. I knew it. Let's go. Okay. We have this weird Dunlop ball. I don't know, I might grab it. That's it. Still haven't found a mirror yet, but I'm hopeful. Oh my god. Yes. This is also something I've been looking for. Do you mind if I take this? Yeah, thank you. This screen door is just lovely. If only I could fit it in my car. But I can't. Just these two, and then I think I'm gonna head home. Alright guys, let's go. Hey guys, I'm back at home now, and it has been a couple of days since I went out and filmed this video, so I just want to show you what I picked up. Let's have a look. Yeah, first thing is, I picked up this, which is just a dish rack. It's pretty plates there, and you wash that. It is a little rusty, but I picked it up because I just need something for now for our kitchen in our new home. So that's the little basket. I picked up these Blundstone boots. They did get wet. Oh, look how bad they are inside. But I think structurally they're okay. And if I can clean them up and shine them up, I think we could sell these for a little bit. Blundstones are good. What else? This is another pair of Blundstones that I found in the same house pile. They are pretty worn, pretty faded. They looked a lot darker when I found them in the video because it had rained and they were wet. So they look okay. They're still structurally fine. They're not coming off the sole or anything. If I push that back, it's not coming off. So they're still okay. This football just needs a little to be pumped. It just looked different. Anyway, it's a Mercedes bag. I think I've sold something similar to this. I'll just pop up the sold. And yeah, so these little things sell, and I think this one will go quick because it does say Mercedes Benz. Sometimes branded stuff goes a little bit quicker than normal if it wasn't branded. This iron I found, I still have to test it. It's a Sunbeam. It'd be great in the new home. That's the model, and I think it looks okay. There's a little bit of marks on there, but it says here ceramic steam diffusion sole plate. So yeah, that might be good. This little thing I ended up picking up, it was like wet, but it doesn't seem to have expanded too much. I think it's alright. I think it's so cute. And this one won't be too hard to send in the mail, so hopefully someone will like and buy that one. It's just a for packaging. This is kind of cool. Let me bring it out. It is a Nomad. I'm guessing it's like a camping oven. This opens up here. That opens up there. There's a little gas hose, I guess. plug it in there. We'll just screw that bit in there. And then hook up the gas. So that's really cool. I don't know if anything's wrong with it. I haven't tested it yet. It just looks so adorable. It's a little bit rusty, but I like it. Thought it might come in handy, even to use as like an outdoor kitchen. There's a date on here. Then this little toy wooden stack outfit truck. So the suburb that I went today was actually really nice. It's like so close to my home, big humongous houses, and look, it's just complete in the box. Wow, do you think it's being used? That's incredible. That is so nice. Oh, it looks like it hasn't been used, but it was in the rain, but the lid on the box was covered, so it didn't get too badly wet. It's a cute little set of toy. Then this little koala, this one was wet. I found this in the same pile. Puppet. Yeah, it's just a little puppet. It's cute. I also found this in the same pile. It's got its tags. Oopsie. I don't know what this is. It looks like a squishmallow, just in little form. I found this. Does have someone's name on it, but I'm pretty sure I can rub it off. That'd be nice and easy to list on eBay. Then I found this, which is also still in the packaging. So they just threw them out in front of their house. And then I also found these baskets. Yeah, I found a stack of these in the past, and they just come in really handy. You can put them in your pantry. You can put them anywhere really. Laundry, kitchen. You can put potatoes, onions. You can put, I don't know, socks, undies, whatever. They just come in really handy. So that's. I also thought I would show you some other things that I found. When I wasn't filming in the hard rubbish, I found this little airplane. This whole bunch, and there was more electronics. This is a pretty old FM AM radio cassette recorder. It is so old, and even if it was used as a prop, I still think it would be pretty good. Battery compartment looks good. A sharp VHS player. I think I have the cords. This one does have the cords. It says VHS player 6-head long play. I don't know what that means. Electronics is something that I don't really like selling, but I know there's good money in it, and this is this must be something good. DVD with a VHS. I don't know. I'm gonna look them up if they go for much or anything, and if it's worth it. I'm sure. I also found this bag of these in the same house. Listed a whole bunch of stuff from here. I've picked up old phones. I've sold old phones like this as props for like $10 on eBay before. Because this one I think doesn't have any cords. But that goes with that, and look, that is definitely not going to work. Yeah. So I've just sold something like this for $10 as a prop for anyone who needs it. Here's some cords. This old keyboard, which, what brand is it? Turbo Media. It is so dirty, so grubby. It's for an old computer. It doesn't even have a USB port, so that's how old that is. This is another phone, which I'll probably sell as a prop. It might actually work, because it looks like it's got all the cords. Seems to be okay. Yeah. Here are some more cords and little wall plugs. Uni gen, that must be for that phone. Auto charger. Oh, the cord has been cut, but I don't know. Would somebody want this? Who knows? But I'll just sell it as is and see what happens. And that's pretty much it, guys. That is my haul for today. I hope you enjoyed the quick little video. I only had half an hour out and I had so much to look at. I would have honestly been able to pick for another 2 hours if I could, but I'm heading out again tomorrow and I'll hopefully bring you another video then. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and as always you can always check out my Instagram where I list most of my things and some Depop. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Bye.